So crews are here working on the new crosswalk that's going into the gazebo. So they're having to hand pour the concrete or hand place the concrete. And then they'll put in some pavers to make it look really nice. How y'all doing?
Good, how are you?
Good work. So beginning next week, week of May 4th, this is the entrance that will be open to the gazebo parking area. And people will be able to access from Cash Hardware and Parkway entrance. Look at this beautiful sidewalk. Hello, Beauty and the Beast. Hello, Judicial District Number 4 Public Defender's Office. Doesn't that look nice? So this is an area that will have new sidewalks as well. New light structures going in. There's the AT&T duct bank where all the communication wires come in. Say hello to the Sevier County Heritage Museum. What an awesome new look this is going to be for you. So I'm walking toward the Parkway right now, which is the bypass parkway that goes around downtown Sevierville. Cash Hardware, nice parking spots in front of your store that will open up when this is completed. Look at all that nice concrete work. Beautiful new paver crosswalk here at Parkway and Bruce. Now looking north toward Cash. Hello, Mr. Postal Truck. You're waving at me. Now we're looking south. Let's give one more view around here. Great work, Blaylock. The city of Sevierville is going to be so proud of this when it's done. It's nice to walk on the new concrete. So those are going to be new planters, or our new planter areas, and the new trees will go in there, and the plantings. You can see an area that's ready for the new pavers to go in as well. Love watching progress. Let's see if Mr. Sims is in. Nope, Mr. Sims still isn't in. Can't wait till Johnny the Milkman Sims opens up his store.